Hello viewers, this is Jubilee Saikia and you're watching My News. And in a significant development, the I4C under the Ministry of Home Affairs has issued an alert about online booking frauds, particularly those related to religious pilgrims and tourists across the country. Here we are bringing you the full details. MHA warns of rising online pilgrimage booking frauds. Fake website mimics services for religious tourists. Kedarnath helicopter hotel bookings among reported scams. I4C partners with Google, WhatsApp, Facebook for crackdown. Citizens urged to report scams by cybercrime portal. Yes, viewers, in a significant development, the Ministry of Home Affairs through its Indian Cybercrime Coordination Center has issued a nationwide alert causing citizens about the alarming rise in online booking frauds aimed at religious pilgrims and tourists. The advisories released today warns the cyber criminals are exploiting fake websites, misleading social media pages, fraudulent WhatsApp accounts, and even paid advertisements on major platforms like Google and Facebook to dupe unsuspecting users. The scams are often sophisticated, closely imitating legitimate services and result in individuals making payments for non-existent travel and accommodation offerings. The I4C has specifically identified frauds involving counterfeit helicopter bookings for Kedarnath and Chardham Yatra, fake hotel and guest house reservations, some taxi and cab services, and bogus religious travel packages. These platforms are intentionally crafted to resemble genuine travel services providers and mislead users into making advance payments. The MHA stated victims often receive no booking confirmations and are left without any means to contact the support service providers once the transaction is complete. To combat this growing threat, I4C is implementing a multi-pronged strategy. It is working closely with the tech intermediaries such as Google, WhatsApp, and Facebook to identify and remove suspicious content. Simultaneously, it is coordinating with state and union territory police forces to monitor cybercrime hotspots and ensure joint enforcement operation. Cyber patrolling activities are also being ramped up to immediately identify and shut down fake websites and impersonating social media accounts. In a further step to empower citizens, the center has added a new feature on the National Cybercrime Reporting Portal www.cybercrime.government.in, enabling users to verify and report suspected fraudulent website. Victims of server fraud can also seek assistance by dialing the cybercrime helpline number 1930. Emphasizing the urgency of the alert, the ministry noted that the move aims to safeguard religious pilgrims and tourists, particularly during peak travel season when such scams are at high. Yes, viewers, the Ministry of Home Affairs through its Indian Cybercrime Coordination Center has issued a national-wide alert warning citizens about a sharp rise in online booking frauds targeting religious pilgrims and tourists across the country. According to an official statement issued today, cyber criminals are increasingly using fake websites, deceptive social media pages with WhatsApp accounts, and even sponsored ads on major platforms like Google and Facebook to scam unsuspecting users. These frauds often appear highly convincing, tricking people into making payments for services that doesn't exist. The I4C has flagged scams involving fake helicopter booking services for Kedarnath and the Char Dham Yatra bogus hotel and guest house reservation, fake online taxi and cab services and counterfeit religious holiday packages. Victims receive no booking confirmation and are unavailable to contact the service provider afterwards. To combat the frauds, the I4C is deploying a comprehensive approach that includes collaboration with intermediaries such as Google, WhatsApp and Facebook to detect and remove suspicious content. It is also working closely with the state and union territory police departments to identify cybercrime hotspots and ensure coordinated enforcement. Additionally, cyber patrolling efforts are being intensified to proactively take down fake websites and social media accounts. Highlighting the gravity of the situation, the ministry noted that the alert is a timely step to protect pilgrims and tourists during peak travel seasons. That's all for now. For further updates, keep watching My News Any.